Hey guys, what is up and welcome back. So I'm apologizing that the lighting is a little crazy. The lighting keeps changing. I'm gonna do my best. I wanted to pop on and give this video just a little proper intro. I like to come on every once in a while and just show my face and say hello. I know usually I do like voiceovers, so I just like to come on and I don't know, just show my face and say hi to all my subscribers and give a little intro to this video. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different and I hope you guys enjoy it. Today I'm doing all day laundry cleaning motivation. So this entire video is me washing, drying, and folding laundry. School started up this past week for us and I filmed this video last week and I just wanted to kind of get everybody's laundry in order. It's just one less thing we have to think about. And I had gotten really behind on it, so I had a lot of laundry to do. So let me know if you guys like this or if you would prefer that I do other cleaning. Let me know how you guys do your laundry. Are you like me where you either like have laundry day or if you do like one load of laundry per day? I kind of switch it up. Like, I guess ideally I do like to do one load of laundry a day, but that doesn't always happen and I usually end up getting backed up. So whatever. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, this entire video is me just washing, drying, and folding laundry, and I did it all day. So if you have any laundry that you need to get done, turn on this video, fold laundry with me while I let some music play, and let me know what you guys think. If you guys do like it, I will do more of these. It's totally up to you. So let's get cleaning, let's get washing, drying, and folding. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. So with all that being said, let's jump into it. Hey guys, it is 7:30. I know I'm looking real good right now. It's been kind of a slow morning. I've been up since 5, but I haven't really done anything productive, but I'm gonna get ready to tackle this laundry mountain behind me. I have so much to do today, so here's hoping that I can get it all done. I'll probably do like 6 or 7, maybe 8 loads of laundry. We'll see. Or maybe it'll be 2. I don't know. I know I have a lot of laundry to fold too, so let's just jump into it. I'm gonna start with a big blanket that's need to be washed, so it's just gonna be in the washer alone. Yeah, so let's get started.
Every time Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late. But was too late. Yeah. We talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere, in everywhere. Every time we have a day, but unrealistic. I know that you like it, baby boy, and I miss that. Can't be like we used to, like we used to. Can't be like we used to, like we used to. Every time we hit, I shouldn't ever have to feel this way, but every time I try to walk away, you. the stars. So you know you're not too far away from me. You're in light when it's my dark. I know this distance makes it hard for us to see. I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you.
Up in the stars. Now I know I'm not too far away from you. I want you back inside my arms. This distance got me feeling so alone. It's true.
I've been waiting so long, I've been waiting so long, just to see you. I've been sleeping alone, I don't wanna let go. I can't forget you. I'll be waiting, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you. I'll be waiting for you.
I'll be waiting for you.
Day by day, desperate fight. My fears are waiting for me at the outside. Overwhelmed, feeling low. I'm the star in this depressing one-man show. Wish I would be able to flee, but I'm not stable. Wouldn't stand a chance, it's just too much to handle. I need an inspiration, another world I have to see. I travel with my portal station to a place of fantasy. Whatever I wanna be, nothing blocks me, I'm free. Gonna beat my enemy.
All right, guys, so that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I did not get all my laundry done, unfortunately. There's a lot of laundry still behind me, and there was just so much that I had to sort. There was stuff that needed to go to dry cleaning. There was stuff that needed to go to donation. It just kind of like really became a catch-all. So I did have to do a lot of it off camera. I had a bunch of underwear and socks that needed to be sorted off camera. So I'm sorry that I didn't get it all done, but I did get a good amount done. I got 6 loads done. So thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out these videos that are on the screen right now. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you next time.